To schedule a Zopa fixed saver, start by logging into your Zopa account and navigating to the Fixed Saver section. Here you will find an overview of your current fixed savers and the option to create a new one. First, click on the New Fixed Saver button to begin the scheduling process. You will be asked to choose the amount you want to invest, which can range from £1,000 to £150,000. Next, select the term length for your fixed saver, which can be either 1 or 2 years. The interest rate will be determined by the term length you choose, with longer terms typically offering higher interest rates. After selecting your term length, you will be shown the estimated interest you will earn over the term, as well as the total amount you will receive at the end of the term. Once you are happy with your choices, click the Continue button to review the details of your fixed saver. Here you can confirm the amount, term length, and interest rate, as well as the estimated interest and total amount. If everything is correct, click the Confirm button to schedule your fixed saver. The amount you chose will be transferred from your Zopa holding account to your new fixed saver, and you will start earning interest immediately. It is essential to note that with a fixed saver, you will not be able to access your money until the end of the term. So make sure you only invest money you can afford to lock away for the chosen term length. By following these steps, you can easily schedule a Zopa fixed saver and start earning a fixed rate of interest on your savings. Remember to always review the terms and conditions before investing, and consider your own financial situation before making any decisions.